everyone, welcome to Sweet Softies Creator Challenge for the year 2021. In the past, we've banded together to do some fun crochet alongs each year, starting from the 2018 Somebody to Love doll. Then we did the 2019 Coral the Mermaid doll. In 2020, we made Piper the Pixie. And this year, we are making Kimono Kitty. This is my design that I've made specifically for our Creator Challenge this year. I hope you'll like it and hope you'll join in on the fun. For some quick information, each week we will be doing a part of this pattern, and at the end of the challenge you will be able to put your doll together and share pictures of your work. Of course, you can always take pictures of your works in progress and share it in the Sweet Softies Facebook group or on Instagram for me to see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join in on our fun creator challenge for this year. And bye now. Happy crocheting!